Jesus from Pasco, Washington has a question about shed ventilation.
Well, it's in this here 12 by 20 barn-sized thing.
Nice.
And I looked up and it said that's a mansard roof.
Well, I know this part is. I don't know about the top. But anyway, I'm good. I'm good. I know what it is.
Don't you have a degree in architecture?
Yes, I do. A 5-year professional degree with a minor in structural engineering from the University of Miami, Florida Hurricanes. You asked.
Yes, and you've been a gale force around here ever since. All right. Jesus writes, I am closing off the loft for more storage space, and I plan on adding an attic floor, and I'd like to know how to vent the attic. He says the problem is, as you can see in that picture, the shed doesn't have any soffits, so he can't do soffits and a ridge vent, or can he?
He can do a ridge vent.
Okay.
Put the ridge vent in, and I would take 4 air hawks, 2 on each side. They're little square slant back vents, and I would put them down. Not endangered
animals.
Nope.
Right.
And they're called air hawks, and they will be down at the below to let the air in, and then of course the ridge vent will vent it. But what surprises me is, it doesn't matter if you put a floor in there or not.
Right.
It's still not vented.
True.
So whether you put the floor in or not, it's always good to vent.
It's funny because he also said, I didn't include this, it wasn't germane to the question, that there's a window in there. But what he doesn't realize, even opening that window is not going to help because the hot air collects up top.
Yeah, it'll help a little bit, but no, it should be vented and it'll be better. But whether you put the floor or not.
And don't put a turbine up there at all.
No, I would not. You stand under it during the rain, you get wet.
That is exactly right. All right, you got a question? We're happy to help you just like that. Whatever you're doing around your house, inside your house, around the house, up your block, we're here for you. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button. And we'll answer it just like that. And if you want to do us a solid, why don't you click on that subscribe button and click the bell, and we'll let you know when we post a new one.